Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about Elmer's all-purpose glue stick. I'm sure you guys have heard or seen Elmer's before. They've been around for a very long time. Anytime I was in art class or just school in general, the teacher always had some Elmer's, whether it was the glue stick or it was the liquid glue. It's just really great and it's been around forever. And they're a really trustworthy brand. I really like them a lot. So basically, I just bought this recently for my wallpaper. Was kind of coming off in the kitchen a little bit, and after I painted it, and I just wanted to glue it back on, so my mother-in-law suggested I used Elmer's glue stick. She swears by it. For that, I used this to, when I bought my wedding invitations, you know, they were pricey and there was a lot because there's like a couple things that have to go in them. So it's the wedding invitation, and then it's the direction card. Then it's like the thing where it says like how many people are attending, and then it's the envelope that goes in there so that the guest can mail back the how many people are attending, or if they're attending or not, to the person whose wedding it is, to let them know if they're coming. So since it's all those things going in the envelope, and even though you could lick the envelope and seal it shut, I used Elmer's glue because I wanted to make sure it was really stuck on there and that it wouldn't open up in the mail and get lost and everything. Because I actually sent them out with around Christmas time, and you know, the mail could get so crazy, so I just wanted to make sure I'd have something, and this really bonded the envelopes so good together, and everybody got their invitation and made my life a lot easier. This is great, of course, for crafts, project, for kids, anything really you could think of. It's awesome. It's not going to work to glue glass together. That you'll need Gorilla Glue or Crazy Glue or something like that, but just for little everyday projects for kids and stuff, it's absolutely perfect. So it goes on smooth, it's acid free, it's photo safe, and it's non-toxic. This is the 0.77 ounce or 22 gram glue stick, and I think I bought this in a pack of 2. So that was perfect. So we'll go to the back here. It is distributed by Elmer's Products Incorporated, 46 Polaris Parkway, Westerville, Ohio. There's the number you could call if you have any questions or comments. Product is made in China, and copyright is 2016, Elmer's Products Incorporated. So I think that most people know this label. What is that, a cow? I never really even know. Elmer's, I think it's a cow. On the label there, and then it's white and orange, so kind of makes it stick out. I'm not sure what that number is on the bottom. I guess it's just maybe the product number. And then the cap comes off very easily, so it's white and kind of just glides on really easily. Not too sticky, doesn't leave residue, which is important. You don't want residue on whatever you're gluing. This container is plastic, and I'm pretty sure it's recyclable, even though it doesn't say it on here. Let's see, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. Conforms to ASTM D4236, non-toxic. Art and Creative Materials Institute certified. Good to know. If you need to, say this is getting low and flat, you just turn this dial really easily. So really easy to use, little kids use it, so very easy for adults too. And I just think it's something that's really great to have in the house. There's certain things, I always have Crazy Glue, Gorilla Glue, and Elmer's in the house because you just never know. You just always end up needing it for something, and it's always good to have on hand, so why not? And I think it made more sense. I think you could get it in a single container, but I think it made more sense price-wise to just get 2, and now I'm on my second one anyway, so wound up that I needed an extra glue stick. So this is Elmer's all-purpose glue stick. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.